From a full Aero kit to a custom bumper-to-bumper stripe, this 2026 Mini John Coupe Works has details everywhere. Let's check it out. Up front, you have these aggressive winglets giving the vehicle a track-inspired look. And down here, you'll notice a JCW toe strap, small detail, but it adds that true motorsport feel. Paired with these silver rally spoke wheels, this setup really stands out. One of the coolest details about this car is this custom racing stripe. Running from the front bumper, over the hood, into the rear, it makes the car look super clean and have a track-inspired look. And coming around back, the Aero kit continues with the rear winglets, and the highlight, this big spoiler with a chili red accent. Inside, this one has the iconic trim, giving you the powered seats and additional camera systems, giving you a comfortable experience and a sporty one. This build is a mix between a track-inspired look and everyday use in the inside. If you want something that stands out but still delivers in performance, come check out this 2026 JCW here at MINI of Fairfield County.